What's up guys, Cage here, back again with another crypto coin analysis. This time we're going to do the analysis on PEIPEI. This is the Chinese version of the Memecoin PEIPEI. There's a lot of hype involved in this, so let's get into the technicals and see if there's any potential for some upside. Let's start by drawing in our daily structure. We have our high, we have our low, our higher high, and we can keep this going to the top. Up here we have tried to make a higher low for another higher high, but we failed there, so we came back down. We have made a lower high, a lower low, another lower high, and a lower low. And we have also broke structure towards the downside, which means our trend is now bearish. If we want to get a rotation towards the upside again and look bullish, we will have to break this high right here, which we have not done right now, because a wick is not a break of structure. A wick is just a liquidity grab to then push price down again. So why do I take interest in this coin for possible longs? Because I'm charting this only on the spot chart, which means you can only buy here. Well, what caught my eye is we have been consolidating here, and what we can know about consolidations, there are orders being built up either on the bottom or on the top side. So if we're consolidating, we can draw in a range. So let's do that. We have our low and we have our range high. Let's mark these 2 points. We have deviation number 1 of the low and number 2 of the high. Let's extend our range to these points. So there's deviations on both sides of the market here. So what can we expect next? Well, according to my liquidity schematic, we need 3 taps in order to confirm a rotation towards the other side. So what do we want to expect for upside? We want to expect another deviation of the low. So we have our 1, our 2, and our 3. If that happens, we have a rotation confirmed towards this high here. And that would be a really nice play, because that's around a 100% play right here, 150%. I also want to see this deviation, because then we can touch this order block right here. And as soon as we come down below the range, deviate this range, we want to see a lot of volume being put into the market here. A lot of people getting stopped out and a lot of market makers buying back the positions that are people getting from getting stopped out. Because everyone that has been longing in here, their stop loss is right below this low. So this point makes it interesting for the market makers to push down to, then take over all of these positions from the retail traders, push back in the range, retest it, and then go for the moon. So they have their orders filled right here, and they can sell their orders again at the top. That's what we've been doing right here all the time. What do I want to see with our volume wise? Well, the volume has been going down here, which is okay because the trend is also going down. But as soon as we come below this, we want to get a big push like these candles right here, as long as the push is above the middle line right here. So that could indicate big players stepping in. As we did here above this high, we got a huge volume pushing back here. As we did right here, we got above the medium line and under the range, and then we've got a lot of volume put into the market. So that's also what I want to see right here. And then we can expect a rotation back towards this and even pump more, because I also want to see this as one push here. I mean, we've been consolidating for like 100 days right now, almost 100 days. So we can expect a breakout sooner or later. So keep in mind of this situation, because you want to get some spot for this scenario right here. There's a lot of trend liquidity right here, and there's nothing to hold price down except this part. But as soon as we get this push below it and get into the range again, we almost have room for a 2x, 100% gain right here. You do not want to miss that on your portfolio. Also, if we pull the volume profile from start all the way to right now, we can see this range is also respected by the value area high on the top, the point of control in the middle, and a value area low on the bottom. So soon as we go below this value area low, a lot of buying will be stepping in here. There's clearly orders being accumulated right here, so let's get ready for the next push. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more of this, then definitely check out my channel. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.